Is it time to buy or sell Seneca Foods stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Seneca Foods. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, April 12, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 10, 2023, our system has ranked Seneca Foods as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.09. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, with a gain of 1.76%. This translates to an average return of 0.59% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock lies the upper part of a falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $53.23 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -19.69% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -25.29% and -19.67%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 4.86% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 0.95% and 34.34%. This translates to a price range of $53.72 to $71.50 after a year. Our latest daily update for Seneca Foods includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Seneca Foods Corporation. The Seneca Foods Corporation stock price gained 0.0658% on the last trading day, Wednesday, April 12, 2023, rising from $53.19 to $53.22. It has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.13% from a day low at $52.58 to a day high of $53.70. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.11% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -9,000 shares, and in total, 46,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.47 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $68.74, and the lowest price was $46.61. Currently, the price is 22.58%, or $15.52, below the 52-week high of $68.74, which is also the all-time high for stock. Analysts have given Seneca Foods stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Seneca Foods. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 4, 2023, and so far it has risen 4.01%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Seneca Foods Corporation stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $53.37. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $52.12. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 49 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Seneca Foods. Seneca Foods Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $53.16, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $1.12 between high and low, or 2.13%. For the last week the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.27%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Seneca Foods, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Seneca Foods. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Seneca Foods is at $57.81. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Seneca Foods encounters its first support level at $53.16. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Seneca Foods from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Walcott Michael S., who bought and sold 0 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 97.547. Overall, insiders purchased 148,390 shares and sold 459,412 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $51.09, minus 4%. This stock has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 5 days ago. Is Seneca Foods stock a good buy? Seneca Foods Corporation holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, April 13th, we expect Seneca Foods to open down $0.0533 and start trading at $53.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.